Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I share Canva designing tutorial, awesome Instagram tips and tricks, and website development with WordPress. If you are interested in all these topics, then subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon, so you will know when I exactly post a new video. Today we are going to learn how to create this design in Canva. Let's add a new page. To add text elements, let's search for frames. Scroll down and you will find the alphabets frame. Add alphabets one by one and create your text. Now let's adjust the text. Let's add a video to text, search, color smoke background, and you will get many options. Add any video of your choice. This is also a very good option. Let's check the final output now. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing creative content. Thank you for watching. If you want a free ready-to-use template, check out the description box below.